this is different tech buzz. We're going to give you a quick first look and unboxing of the new Aukey T21 true wireless budget earbuds. So it comes in this simple little box here, which is all green and recyclable, which is excellent, and just has some information on the back there of where they are and so on. So these come with a 25-hour battery life, touch controls, Bluetooth 5, noise isolation, water resistance, and a snug fit. So they're not going to have all the bells and whistles, but they do have the main features that you're going to need to use your true wireless. So you get your box here, you get your extra tips, you get your USB to micro USB-A to micro USB, so it's micro USB charging. You get your books and your warranty card, and that is basically it. Nothing too flashy, and for the price you're going to pay is what you're going to expect. So you have the case here, which is standard case, and it's quite nice, a nice size and pocketable. Your charging port on the back, no buttons or LEDs on the outside, your branding up on top, and when you open up there you can see you've got LEDs on the actual buds themselves. So we'll just pop them out for now. So it is a magnetized case, so you've got your two connectings there, and the same on the back of the earbuds. So we're just going to see first of all how strong the case is, where the magnets are, and pretty strong, so they're not going to fall out, and the case does lock nice and secure and it's easy to open. So let's have a quick look at these. So these are the longer stem types with tips on, and you can see the shape of them there, like so, and you can see the mics on the bottom, and there's mics on the side there, but there is little holes at the bottom there. So let's put them in the ears and see how they feel. So they do have a good isolation feature there, and they fit quite nicely, and these will rest against the side of your ear or face and they will stay put. So that's just how they feel on first testing. But they're slim enough and they're pretty basic looking, basic design, and more importantly is what we're going to know what the sound is like how it is later on, so we'll have to test them out and see. So these use MEMS microphone technology, and they have touch controls, so it's all going to be touch here. As you can see, there is no buttons there. They're sweat and water resistant, and you've got 30 feet range with Bluetooth, 33 feet or 10 meters. You have battery life up to 5 hours, which we'll find out, and you get 4 charges per fully charged case. And as I said, you've Bluetooth 5.0, and you've got your Bluetooth technology, which is A2DP, AV, RCP, HPF and HSP. So it's a pretty simple pair of true wireless at an affordable price, and Aukey are known for good audio, and the last couple of pairs we've tested have been very good, and we look forward to seeing what these can bring at this price point when it comes to the audio factor. I'm pretty sure they'll be pretty decent, and we'll let you know when we are finished our full review what we think, and we'll go through everything then. In the meantime, any questions, you know where to come. Hit us up here or on Twitter, Instagram, or on our blog, and we'll drop a link below to where you can pick them up. So that's a quick first look at the new Aukey T21s. Going to run you around 35 quid, which isn't bad. Very nice and light, nice simple design, and they do really have a good fit in the ears, which is important. Stay tuned for the review, and feel free to ask, as I said, if you have any questions. I'll be gladly answer you. Talk to you then.